Hello everyone and welcome back. Okay, so we're doing Vidu today. So the reason I'm doing this is so I got an email, doing my stuff. Got an email. So company says, okay, you have your bonus login type of stuff, da 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 with your credits. Now listen, this is how it's gonna be. We got you some credits, all that type of shit. Listen, motherfucker. You gotta use it up before this time. So I'm just like, okay, I'll use it. So I'm gonna need a review. Everyone's been raving and ranting about it. I see good stuff online. I can't complain. I see stuff on like Instagram and like X and all that type of stuff. And I see some like interesting stuff on YouTube with the shorts. So I'm just like, okay. And then I have a couple of what's I'm gonna call it? I have two devs. I know too many people apparently who've done it too. So I'm just like, all right, let's do this. So again, obviously they didn't curse in the email, but like just me being me because I like being me. I curse all the time, but so I'm gonna test some stuff out. I'm gonna do the image to video because I have some stuff. I have some stills that I want to use, and I want to compare it to other stuff. So I'm going to use the image to video right now. And we got the Vidu QI, and then this is the new one. And you got the other ones, but I'm not too sure if I can use this one or if it's going to be with the Pro or like what it's going to be. You got the 5-second type of stuff. And then you got the auto, and then you got the amount. I don't know what that means. Okay, that's 4 out of 1. So I just want to make one. I'm not going to be like. So we're gonna get our image, and then okay. So we got. I got a lot of portfolios. So let's do one. See what's in two. Okay, no. We can do one. This is other customer stuff. Okay, so I'm going to do Amigo on the waffle boat. Yes, I actually named it that. Can you please make the waves and the waffle move while the cat named Amigo is smiling and enjoying the moment. And the waffles are nice and safe for him to enjoy. Oh, and then I can do like another image too, I guess, or whatever. I don't know what this optional is, but okay, so let's get that. Oh, it's 1080p. Okay, that's actually pretty based. Oh, and it's got API too. Okay, that's actually pretty good. So we're just testing it out. Let's see what it does. So I'm not too sure if it's just 5 seconds, so it's like a little short. I just autoed it, so I'm not too sure what it's gonna be. So, oh, they even have a little user guide too. But again, it's pretty simple. Again, I have Kling, I have other stuff. Kling is not too bad either. I haven't tried out the text to image. I might try that out too, but I just wanted to see how it turned out with this one. So we're just patiently waiting. Wow, this is beefy. Kling doesn't take this long. I don't know, maybe Vidu is a lot higher. So I haven't figured that one out yet. Again, looking like it is because it is 1080p, so that's kind of interesting. I'm kind of wondering when they'll do the 1440, which is a 2K. I know 1080p is just like, oh my god, 1080p, that's so awful. So we're just waiting for the result. So let's wait and find out. Yeah, I know. It's kind of, I would explain a lot more. So obviously you would get your image, obviously of the of whatever, have a cat I made, and then obviously the prompt is, can you please make the waves and the waffle boat move while the cat named Amigo is smiling and enjoying the moment, you know, and the waffles are nice and safe for him to enjoy. And that other stuff. I'm also experimenting with little shorts and the moving videos, so watch, like, again, I know it's kind of like animation, but like originally I wanted to do all this. I had a big how do you put it, expectations of doing this, and then YouTube and the anime, and it's just like, yeah, you know what, fuck it, I'll just do it with Runway or something. Or I actually want to actually try that out, Runway or Midjourney. Hit me up, bros. Hit me up. I'll do a good job. I'll give you a good review. I'll give you a good review. It's not too bad. This is, again, it takes a little bit longer than Kling, but I'm curious on the results because obviously the upscale resolution is a lot higher. So let's look at the video. Oh wow, that's actually really good. And he's smiling. All right, that's good. I think the prompt was a little bit too long because I don't see him enjoying the waffles, but the waves are pretty good. That actually looks really good. That's the thing. It's only 5 seconds, so I'm not too sure if you have settings, if everything's 5 seconds, or in the pro version that you can do it longer. But still, for that's still pretty good for the 5 seconds. That, like, if I'm gonna be honest to you, if we're gonna compare it to Kling, it's, I have to say with the detail it's a little bit better and the animations are a little bit better. But I would have to say the only thing that Kling has, maybe I would have to say, is the duration. So you can maybe do like 10 or 15 seconds, a little bit longer. But when it comes to detail and it comes to the beautiful like animation and like the the resolution itself, I would have to say Vidu is a lot better. But I think from the perspective of something longer, if you want to do longer prompts or stuff like that, I would say Kling has the advantage. But at the same time, if you want really, really good detail and you want higher resolution, then Vidu would be your go-to. But you would have to put your prompts a little bit shorter. But so again, pros and cons. But again, if I were to do it, then yeah, I would go. If I want to do something a little bit more detailed, have a little bit more upscale my resolution, I would go with this for sure. But if I want something a little bit longer, I want to do maybe a bigger presentation and pack more actions into it, then I would go with Kling. So I'm going to be experimenting more with this too. I'm going to see how the text to video works and other things, but the image to video is absolutely amazing with the detail. It's just the only thing is that the duration is a little bit too short for my liking, because I do like to put more detail in the prompts and pack as much as possible. But apart from that, I would say it's stellar. Like I'm not too sure what the pro version does. Maybe in the pro version you can do stuff a little bit longer. Let's check that out right now before I wrap up the video. This is really good. Okay, so with the subscription. Okay, so obviously I'm on the free plan. Okay, so with this one is you get monthly of 800 credits and you get to generate 200 videos. And then each second video okay, there you go. So it's around 10 seconds, basically what Kling does. So you have to pay a little bit more. You get the standard, fast channel generation, commercial use allowed, and download without watermark. And you can do 4 videos at once. And now if you do the 31 for the premium, this is your yearly billing. So build yearly has 306 and 96 for the standard. Higher resolution video generation, 8 videos, seconds, high generation video, commercial use, generate 4 videos at once, download with the watermark, early access features, and then obviously the ultimate, everything in the other two, 8 video, higher resolution, generate 4 videos, commercial use allowed. So basically, and then obviously the 8,000, and then you get unlimited videos and like other features that obviously aren't available and stuff like that. This is the yearly billing. And then if you want to go to monthly, it's 10, 35, and $100 a month. But again, not too bad. I do like this. I'm going to probably put it on the Instagram as well, if you want to follow me on their company. But I have to say, stellar. Like, for the detail, it's stellar. But for the duration, okay, maybe if you want to pay, you can, but you can do that already on Kling for a longer generation. You won't get as detailed, but still you can pack more punch. So either way, it's up to you. It's up to personal preference. If you're wanting more detail, go with this, and just want pay a little bit more, you can. But if you want longer duration, a little bit more prompt, but you want to sacrifice a little bit of detail, then go with Kling. But yeah, this is really good, man. Like, these guys are getting more creative. And obviously, if you want top tier, you have to get Runway or something like that. But again, when they reach out to me, I'll do a review. But yeah. But just for now, for like little short type of stuff and for like really basic type of stuff, comparison, yeah, it's worth it. So, thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always, Mr. Z signing out.